Hey, Phil, what happened to you?
Kid, we gotta talk.
Oh, Phil, I just had the greatest day of my life. I can't stop thinking about Meg. She's something else.
Kid, I'm trying to talk to you. Will you come down here and listen?
How can I come down there when I'm feeling so...
Gotcha! Very nice. What I'm trying to say is...
And if it wasn't for you, I never would have met her. Oh, I owe you big time, little guy. I
Knock it
do.
off for a couple of seconds.
Rule number 38. Come on, Phil. Keep him up there, huh? Phil, I got 2 words for you.